Hello, everybody. It's Jonathan from Groundworks Construction. It's Wednesday, and it's hot today. It's about 80 degrees in New York, going up to 86. I'm on a way to a job site right now where we're closing up a kitchen. It's a full gut renovation. We had our tile setters come in day before yesterday, and picked up our grout yesterday, and we're going to install it today. Currently, Carlos is at the job site, and he is installing the grout. We're going to go check everything out, make sure it's okay. This is the second step to closing up the room. After today, we can finish the drywall compounding and sanding, and then we can begin installing our cabinets. So let's go. Okay, we're walking over to the apartment now. We're in Queens, New York, and these apartments are all co-ops. So we have to abide by the rules of the co-ops, which are very stringent in New York, including action over general liability and high workers' compensation. So we're sneaking up on Carlos. Carlos is getting ready to lay some grout. Carlos is going to be famous today. What's up, Carlos? All right, we just finished up checking in on Carlos. He's finishing up the grout now, ready to lay the grout, and is cleaning, polishing off the floor. Takes a couple passes of cleaning for the floor to be nice and clean. We're going to allow it to dry for the next 24 hours, and we'll come back tomorrow and begin closing up the rest of the walls, taping, compounding, and we'll be done. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me on our checkup of our job site, checking on Carlos and see how he's doing with the grout job. He's currently finished and on his way back. If you like what you see, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube at Groundworks Construction. If you are in the area and you want some work done, give us a call, 917-375-7432. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.